afternoon, scrappers. So today, this is something I don't think many of you will have seen. I have a heart condition, so I had they call a loop recorder implanted in my chest, and then you use this handset and you put it over the heart recorder, and it takes all the information from that and puts it in here, and you put it onto there, and it sends all the information to the hospital, Papworth Hospital in Cambridge, who are wonderful and looked after me for 6 odd years now. Anyway, the battery ran out in the recorder, so this is no longer required, and they didn't want it back. So guess what's happening to this? It has little Torx screws in there, which I can't get out because they've got a little bit sticking up and I don't have the right parts to undo them. So we're going to have to go to the old faithful hammer. I'm hoping there's going to be some good stuff in here anyway, so we'll just give that a smack. Not on the table because I will die from the good lady if I destroy the table. Let's see if we can get into this now. Jeez, didn't want this to come apart, did they? I could have just peeled the sticker off the back to see if there's any screws underneath, couldn't I? Oh dear. Oh, it's the ones, yeah, I can't undo those ones anyway. Or that one. The other two I can. I might just see if I can undo those ones. It's so hot today, I've come into the house to do this because I just cannot sit out in the heat. Obviously, when you have a heart condition, you don't really like this sort of heat. No alarm going off. I used to run a lot. I used to run marathons, 6-mile races, 6-hour races, 12-hour races, 24-hour races. I did 100 miles a couple of times as well, and I went out for a run one evening to do just 4 miles, and I ended up collapsing on the floor. So that was about 7 years ago. So I spent a long time now not been able to do the running, which is kind of where the scrapping came from, because I needed something else to do. And yeah. I didn't want this to come apart, not at all. There's a little battery in there. Right. I can see there's a little board in there. God, I wouldn't be able to undo any of these, I don't think. Just throwing things around. No, that's not going to turn either. Well, we'll leave that for a second. I'm just going to go and bang this open, and then I shall be back. Right, that was fun. Now, in there we've got this small board. I'll just take those wires off of there. Have a look on there, there's some nice copper coils there, so we'll get the copper out of those. And as you can see on that board, there's some lovely gold plating, so that's not bad. Some nice MLCCs, flat pack, and there's some gold pins in this piece here, and there's two gold banded crystal oscillators, so that's a nice little board. And then this one is just held in with 3 screws, thankfully. 4 screws. There's a little screen on that, isn't there? Take that out, we'll take that out. Oh, top of that's fell off. Take that out of there. So there's another little tiny bit of cable there, some more screws which we'll get out of there later. And pop the top off there as well. So we've got in there. Got a nice little tantalum there. Oh, a micro SD card. Obviously there's gold on there. I might see if I can use that in a phone. So there's some gold plated pins in there and there, and hopefully in this one as well. No gold plating on those. Yeah, there's a few nice. Oh, there's another gold edged crystal oscillator there, and there's a few nice big MLCCs as well. Nice copper coil there. And that side, another tantalum, another gold edged crystal oscillator, some more flat packs. So that's not too bad. What have we got in there? Oh, no idea what that is. Anyone knows what that is? Be nice to know. Yeah, that's not too bad from my old medical receiver. Oh, got that in there as well. Let's just take that off. Now that's a dongle, isn't it? So inside there there'll be some more gold plated pins and whatever's in one of these, which I've never done, so we'll have a little look at that in a second. Got into the dongle and quite pleased with that. Nice gold connector there, some more gold contacts, a gold plated thing there, and another one just on the end there. Yeah, really pleased with that. And also there's some gold flashing on the actual board itself. And there's a few flat packs, some MLCCs on there, and another gold banded crystal oscillator. So that's not bad little collection there, just from the one thing. There's a bit of further breaking down to do, but I'll do that off camera. And if you come across one of these, they're well worth taking apart. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you to the new subscribers, as always. Thanks for all the comments and the likes. Makes it worthwhile we keep going on this. And keep scrapping.